2019 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, CD player, heated front seat, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.